Hey everybody, Dan here. Gonna do a quick video on how to hide your floor joists. As you can see on my model here, the wall just sits right on top of the floor joist, as it should. However, you can see them from the outside in the 3D view, and also from your section views, you can kind of see them. I don't know if that'll go all the way completely. But your 3D view should be fixed. Anyways, right now I just have this as a generic 5-inch wall, and what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate it. I'll just call it generic extend because we're going to extend the bottom of it down. What you have to do is you have to edit your structure, and I'm going to make it like I'd make a normal wall. So let's make this like a 3.5 inch stud. You can change the material if you like. I'm going to insert 2 other categories here, and I'll move one up, and I'll move the other one down, make this one 1/2 inch, and same with this one. And that'll make our gypsum board. And actually, I remembered I want to add another. I'll just make that another 1/2 inch. So if we say line 6, that'll be our gypsum board. You can change the material on that. Line 2, that'll be our sheathing on the outside. And then line 1, that will be our siding. So anyways, that's kind of how our wall is going to be made. And there's probably going to be a little bit more detail than that, but this is just a simple explanation. We're going to click the preview button, and then over here you want to see the section view. Then you want to scroll in here to the bottom. There we go. And as you can see, I've selected number 1 and 2. They highlight when you click on them. Anyways, you just want to click on the very bottom of it. Oh wait, you want to click modify down here. Now you can click that line and then hover over the lock button, and hopefully it'll turn orange or something. Then you can unlock it. Maybe. Oh man, this is not working. It's a miracle. Okay, let's try it again. Ha, got it. Okay, so those 2 are now locked. And basically what we've done is we've made it so the sheathing and the siding can extend down past the stud. So I'm going to click OK. Click OK. Now, this is our wall. And it looks like it put it in there for me because I was already using it. But base extension, you should be able to put that now. And because I have 16 inch. Oh, because I have a. Oh, crap. Did I just delete my wall? Okay. I have 16 inch joists, so I'm going to put a base extension of 16 inches. And sometime it should do that for me. Oh, that's why I need to do a minus 16 inches. Okay, there we go. And now that covers your joists, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.